Well, it's about 6:30 here in Entebbe. I managed to get about, I don't know, 8 hours sleep, I think, which is amazing. And I've just woken up, so I thought I'd come and give you a little view from the Stay Apart hotel. Life is usually all about hustle and bustle. There were people playing music. I don't know what time last night, but they were laughing and having a bit of fun. But we are literally only about, I guess you can hear the cockroaches going over there. We're only about, oh look, there's a border. So that's like a little taxi that people use, very inexpensive. But we're only about, I guess, 2 miles, 3 miles from the airport, so you can, depending on the way the planes land, you can hear that a little bit. But what I'm constantly getting amazed by is the ingenuity of people. You know, nothing's too much trouble. You can get anything in Entebbe, in Uganda. When I come, I always bring mosquito spray, little wipes to wipe your hands with, and I use a malaria medication called Malaba, which is very good. So I thought I'd just show you the inside of this little apartment. It's very much like you'd find in the UK or the USA. And it's got obviously sofa. The balcony I was just filming at, it's outside. Flat screen TV. You've got like a little breakfasty bar thing. And then its own kitchen. So, you know, you can make your own food if you want. And then this one is a 2-bedroom apartment. And I'll just show you that now. 2 double beds, plenty of storage. And the bathroom, shower. And then the other bedroom, which is where I'm sleeping. Well, I was just wondering what the noise was. And outside the apartment, there's a school coming, some kind of special occasion. So it's nice to see the community, all of the pupils. So I thought I'd just take a snapshot of this early morning. Some of the kiosks, part of everyday living, where people sell. There's a hairdresser's there, a bank there, satellite dish company, that's a new one, and they're obviously making improvements to the road here. Now we're coming up onto the main road, so yeah, look at there. People get on with things. There's no traffic lights for workmen. You just work your way around it, and hope all goes well. We haven't had any accidents, so praise the Lord. So we're off the expressway now, and this is what the road is like pretty much all the way. Big lorries coming to Kampala, and then you've got all of these small side businesses. So we've got stores selling mattresses, What have we got? Somebody selling kettles there. A clothes shop up there. Somebody selling footballs. And somebody selling wheelbarrows there. So, you know, it's very diverse. Everyone's trying to make a living doing something. But what they used to have is right on the edge of the street. They would have little wooden kiosks, and the government would come in and bulldoze them all down because the government can't make tax, they can't collect tax from the little side kiosks. So, you know, it's quite ingenious. Now that's public transport. People on top, cows underneath. This is a typical jam. This will go on for a few miles. You have patches where the road like we're on now is opened up again. And then we get into another jam. Yes. So this is a bit of a rougher road. We're out of Mukono now on the way to Lugazi. Here's toothbrushes, sugarcane. We're just in an area coming towards ginger where it's sugarcane. And ginger is an area known for harvesting sugarcane. Oh. And then you've also got tea, which is another very abundant crop in Iganga. Beautiful landscapes. It's coming to rain a little bit. Imagine doing this job in the rain. Taking wood from one place to the other. Leaning forward on the motorbike because you haven't got any seat. The wood's on the seat. Here's another guy. And it can be pouring down with rain anywhere there. Just doing what needs to be done. And fuel in Uganda is about the same price as it is in the UK, even though the wages are a lot less. Here's a guy coming up that is transporting a bed frame on the back of his motorbike. He's actually sitting on the bed frame driving his motorbike. I don't know if you can see this guy, but he's selling chicken on a stick. And basically that chicken keeps going. So driving here is all about taking over, overtaking. There's not much choice because you'll be here forever otherwise. So we just try to read the road and then go for it. Another crop grown very often is rice. As far as the eye can see is rice. So we are very near, almost in Tororo, on the Ugandan side of the Kenyan border, and then we'll kind of turn left and go up to Malaba. It's not been too bad. We've been about 6.5 hours, but we stopped on the way. Still a bit of traffic, but I thought I'd give you a little report just before we get to Malaba, and then see the Malaba sign, and then we'll make the video up from there. All of these trucks here are waiting to be cleared for customs to cross the border into Kenya. And Pastor Santi was saying, look how long the queue is, you know, that they may be a few days parked on the side of the road here before they get to the actual custom point. So, you know, it's a completely different way of life. But here we are, we're nearing, very, very near Malaba. So we are pass Ashana's son off, and then we'll go to the hotel, the Bracelet Hotel. So someone asked me to take a video of a dirt road. This is a dirt road. You can still drive in it, but when it gets wet, it's more of a mud road. Bit bumpy, as you can see.